I play Bee Swarm Simulator for 30 days. Day 2.
I don't even play FPS.
Look at
This mythic meteor shower could change my life.
slow. Can you shut up? Yes, I completed the B-Base quest. My second. Yes. There we go. Okay, thank you. Help a character decorate for bees. With my main cup. Like a playtime.
I have like 12 days.
I see, man. Thank you. I'll finish it. Thank you. Now let me get all the strawberries, all the treats, all the ticket. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. There we go. That means I can access the 5B zone now.
Finally, I unlocked the 15B zone. Up next, completing the mid shop.
And my bitter berries, I can just give them like 10, I think. Oh, I got a mutation. Wait, what? Oh, I got a +2 gather amount. Okay, not bad. As a beginner, I got a mutation. That's not bad. Now I have 1.2 million. I think I can actually use the slingshot real quick.
Please, I'm so close.
Oh my god, I can actually get the max. Oh, I can actually get the max backpack. Should I get the Porto Hive?
If I need to get free.
You know what? Screw it. I'll get the Porto
Get the
Hive.
Porto.
Oh my god. Now I can contain 318,000 capacity with my scooper. Give me those. Give me that real quick. Give me that. That's very important for me in my life. There we go. There we go. I can do this. I can get this. And boom, let's go. Equals gold is finished. I think I'll claim that real quick. Oh, I got gold egg. Holy crap.
Oh, use it.
I got gold egg from the black bear. Let's go. Time for the diamond egg. Blah 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 blah. I don't care about you. There we go. Thank you. Hide behind this cactus.
What up, fucking?
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Free ticket. Boom, I get 35,000 honey. Boom, and boom! I got free gingerbread bear. I got 5 tickets. I got those stuff. Oh, hello there. Thank you. What the quest now? Strawberry. Ah, easy peasy lemon squeezy, bro. Now let me use the honey wreath for the first time. Oh, perfect honey. I only got like 1,000 extra. What the hell? And we'll take that. And it's time for me to craft an electromagnet. Boom! The electromagnet is me now. Let me just give it to Black Bear first.
Yeah, probably.
Give present.
I need to stay here to wait for the stickers.
There we go. Time to decorate. Thank you. And now I think I should
I
do.
1,050.
I think I should do some kind of a boost. There we go. Boom. You're trading it for like a ticket voucher, are you?
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for others and like and sub.